Hello, I am Liv. I'm going to tell you about this week's Friday fabric feature collection. If you are wondering what in the world this is, check out our video description and it will explain what is going on here. I'm just going to jump right in. As you can see, we have a bit of a holiday theme going on here. These are beautiful fabrics, perfect for celebrating, maybe showing up a little late for you to do Christmas parties, but definitely you can pop in with some New Year's or some timeless classics like a bright red trench coat. Gorgeous. Some people wear red as a neutral. Totally works if that's your vibe. Let's get started. This is Holiday Red Silk Rayon Crepe. Silk and rayon make a beautiful floaty fluid blend. This has some thickness to it. It's very lightweight and has good drape, but it's also not really see-through, pretty opaque, and feels a little more substantial, a little more like it will keep you a little bit warmer. Great for things like camisoles or even blouses and dresses. Lovely bright red color here. This shiny thing is called Ball Drop. It is a sequin knit. It has metallic thread and these stuck on little dot sequins. Really fun fabric, great for sort of a draped blouse for a holiday party. Going out, this is your going out stuff. You could do a draped dress, draped shirt. It is pretty sheer, so you're either going to want to line it or go with the sheer and wear some undies you want to show off, or show off yourself, whatever you're comfortable with. This is a really fun one. It is a synthetic, which is to be expected for something so shiny. This is Candy Cane Red, and it is a wool knit. So, lots of sweater potential here. I'm going to show you some stretch because that's important. It's very stretchy widthwise. It's a little stretchy up and down as well. So, we've got lots of lint. It's part of the business. Really perfect for, you could almost do like a cropped sweatshirt style crew neck sweater. Cardigans, draped things. You could do a sweater dress. This would be cozy and kind of a showstopper. This is a really nice red. Great for holiday, great for basics. This is Garland Stripe Wool. This one is more of a suiting. Has a rainbow pinstripe, very fun. A little more subtle than, other holiday fabric. This one could be used for skirts. You could do a jacket. You could even do slacks with this one. It is a little bit sheerer just because it's fairly loosely woven. You can see it doesn't have a very fluid drape. It's got a more stiff hand to it, but it's quite soft. We call this one Lump of Coal. It's a rayon chenille. This is the sort of thing you can make nice swishy cardigans out of. You can also just make a throw if you want to kind of ravel and fringe the ends. Make a cozy throw. That chenille is just very velvety, very soft, wonderful for things. Even a scarf would be wonderful out of this. You could make a coat or something. It would have to be maybe a more loosely draped coat, but this could be quite cozy. It's rayon, so it breathes. It's nice and soft. This is just a really nice one. And we do have a good amount here for bigger projects like coats, if that's something you want to do. This one's just fun. I love a good cotton plaid. It's pretty much irresistible to me, and I am only interested in the scraps. Like, this is a Christmas quilt to me. Sorry. I was taken in by her beauty. I don't know why, but this one I just love. It's cotton. It's a nice medium, sturdy cotton. It's a touch see-through up to the light, but I don't know that it would be if you're wearing it. This one's great for things like button-up shirts. If you have a button-up shirt person in your family and want to have something for the holiday photo, this is a good one for that. This would also make an adorable pinafore or little dress. Really extremely versatile. And again, those scraps are quiltable. So if you don't want them, give them to a quilter. And if you don't know a quilter, mail them to us. Our address is under the video. Check it out. I won't necessarily use them. I might. If you send these back to me, I will probably snatch them up and work them into a quilt somewhere. But we also sell to quilters, so we can just send those lovely scraps back out into the world to become useful. And it's a little more zero waste. This is Tinsel Twill. It is denim, believe it or not. This is very shiny. You can use either side. So the back side is super duper gold and metallic. This is the side I think you're supposed to use. navy denim. So this is a cotton lurex blend. Lurex is that shiny metallic. About half the fiber content is this shiny gold and the other half is this indigo cotton. You probably want the cotton dark side towards your body just because it's softer, and then this metallic can really shine. A pair of slacks out of this would be bomb. Everybody needs shiny gold pants, right? Here you go. This does not really have stretch to it, so fit those pants appropriately. We're calling this one Christmas Bouquet Georgette. It is not quite chiffon. Chiffon is very lightweight, very see-through. This has a little bit, it's like right in the middle between taffeta and chiffon. All these very intense technical words for fabric. There's just so many fabrics, you know? So this one's Georgette. It is a synthetic, so not super duper soft. You want to use this as an overlay, probably over a white or black background just to make this floral pop. It is quite dreamy, rather romantic. Lovely floral. So you could make a blouse out of this. It would work for that. It would be very pretty, quite romantic, very elegant. Lots of potential here for floaty pretty things. All right, here's your holiday skirt. This is Festive wool plaid, a really gorgeous classic red plaid with a touch of green. And there's a little bit of white and yellow in here too. Truly beautiful classic Christmas skirt right here. Holiday skirt. If you're not into Christmas, that's fine. Solstice. Hanukkah doesn't necessarily do the red and green, but you know, you want to look pretty for winter. Red is a great color for that. You could also do a really cute vest or a jacket with elbow patches. This would be darling. This is just a classic. Nice medium weight wool, more like a suiting or skirt weight material. Nice and soft too. This is a good one. I mean, they're all good ones, right? Not all of them are. We get some stuff here, let me tell you. If you're not into the bold red plaid, we have an evergreen wool crepe. This one would be a little bit more versatile, although red plaid is classic. You can wear it anytime. This one's a little more fluid, a little more for a skirt or loose fitting slacks on this one. If you did a jacket, it would probably need to be something loose and flowy, more like a cardigan almost. Really lovely wool crepe here. You could also do things like wrap dresses. That would be warm and cozy and also very chic. Okay, we have a little bit of a lint problem here. I apologize. As you might expect, a place that deals in fabric has little bits of string all over the place. This one's called Santa's Boots Coating. It is a straight up solid black thick wool coating. We don't know, we have to guess what the fiber content is. We burn tested this, we know it is a wool fiber. It is an animal fiber of some sort. This is soft enough that I suspect some cashmere is involved here. There's possibly even lamb's wool. This is super soft. It almost doesn't feel like wool. And it's super thick, very warm. I love this. Very cozy. Really, really nice wool. It's not even the slightest bit itchy. This is like velvet. It's gorgeous. All right, our last one is Rudolph Red. It is another wool crepe. This one is a blend though. This one, I gotta set this down. It's just too much. You can stand next to me. All right, it is a wool blend crepe. So there's some synthetic, probably polyester in this. Has a really nice fluid drape. It does have wool, so it's gonna feel warm. It will also breathe. This is a lighter weight, so more like skirts, gathered skirts, A-line skirts, that kind of thing would be really lovely out of this. You could also do dresses, a wrap dress or something like that. This is our final fabric. Happy sewing.